Hi, kids, let's learn the fruit. Ready, let's go. This is an apple.
This is an apple.
This is a mango.
This is a mango.
These are banana.
These are banana.
This is an orange.
This is an orange.
These are grapes.
These are grapes.
This is a watermelon.
This is a watermelon.
This is a strawberry.
This is a strawberry.
This is a pineapple.
This is a pineapple.
This is a guava.
This is a guava.
This is a kiwi.
This is a kiwi.
This is a pear.
This is a pear.
This is a lemon.
This is a lemon.
This is a peach.
This is a peach.
This is a cherry.
This is a cherry.